That's one room complete. And another one to go. So here we have 3 coils, all 3 averaging about 70 to 80 meters. So for that we have a 90 meter coil, I think there's 290s and 170. There's 170 there I think. So all of that's going to get in this one here. Okay, so this room is also nearly ready now. All the pipes are in. We just need to complete this section, but the rest of it is all in. It's quite a sizable room, is this? So these overlay panels, we had to glue them down first because the level wasn't great on this floor, so it was just raw concrete. So we had to then glue all of these panels down, but now they're solid. Manifold, boiler and everything's just going to end up here. That's the utility area, so the lot's just going to finish here. So that's the entrance of the property with lovely roof. That's the room on the left, and bathroom, another living room with underfloor heating. And then we walk into this grand kitchen dining space. And these doors open up to a lovely garden at the back. Beautiful private garden. It's dark, we can't see it right now. The kitchen is currently being installed, as you can see. Matching tiles to this worktop. It looks really nice. And we have underfloor heating throughout in the kitchen dining area as well. This was an overlay system because this floor was constructed newly, so this is underfloor heating pipework on top of Kingspan and then concrete on top of it. All of this area will have underfloor heating as well, so that's the hallway. So there you have it. Okay, so just testing a couple of coils as they're going to put some screed on it shortly. So pressure up to 5 bar, we can observe it for a couple of hours. As you can see, thoroughly flushed it with mains water, but that only increases up to around 3 bar pressure depending on what's coming through mains. So then you've got to use the pump to pump it slightly higher, as recommended pressure is around 1.5 times more than the working pressure. So we've kind of pumped it up to 5 bar, as you can see. Put a mark on it, and valves are closed and loops are open, so we're just testing it. Meanwhile, Joiner's doing his joinery work, putting a door, and Abdul Basir is laying some more pipes. That's a special tool for bending the pipe, as you can see. He's being very careful with it. So that's the last loop from this room. Quite a big room, as you can see. So that will be the last loop going in. This room is ready and is currently under test. So this was around 70 square meters. So that's being tested as we speak. We already tested the kitchen previously, and the hallway will have similar panels and all the pipework will be spread out. Okay, so this room is ready, all piped up, pipes under test currently, and the guys are getting ready to put some floor leveling compound or self-leveling compound on it. So this floor will have laminate flooring. Our customers now made a firm decision, may even have tiles on it, but the panels are all structured round anyway, using the correct compound. So that's all sorted. Though the floor you have seen, that's all ready anyway, that's already been tested. So this will have the same covering on top. So that's all sorted. Okay, so it's 2 hours later. Let's have a look. The pressure's still at 5 bar, so we're all perfectly fine with these 2 coils. Now that we've got the last 2 coils ready as well, what we're going to do is we're going to replace them. We'll disconnect those 2 and add the additional 2 coils into the system, and test that as well, so it's all out of the way. We'll do that next. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section as always. Let's do the next 2 coils now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do drop me a line.